The major development in urology is the minimally invasive surgery. That is, we can treat the disease without the need for a major cutting surgery. Previously, for example, for a kidney removal, that requires a major surgery, skin, muscle, bone, we have to cut and remove the surgery. But now, all these procedures can be done by minimally invasive surgery by using laparoscopic techniques. That is called laparoscopic surgery. That is by using a small 2-3 small holes through that trocar. An instrument is passed through this trocar into the abdominal cavity. Through that you can see the whole of abdomen. We can see the kidney, ureter, bladder, and the surgery can be done by using various instruments through these trocars. And the advantage is that any surgery that can be done on open surgery can be finished by using these laparoscopic instruments, by using laparoscopy. And for example, a kidney to be removed, then instead of this major cutting surgery, by using this laparoscopic instrument, we can completely mobilize and complete nephrectomy. We can free the kidney there. And using morcellator, a small instrument that is introduced through this port, and the kidney can be completely removed by piecemeal, by small piecemeal that can be completely removed. So there is no major wound, no major skin incision, no cutting the muscles, no major wound, so that pain will be much less and the patient recovery will be very fast. Within a few days he can leave the hospital, he can resume his routine activities with about 1 or 2 weeks time after this major surgery. So that is the advantages of laparoscopic surgery. Now this surgery can be applied for kidney surgeries, any suprarenal surgery, any ureteric surgery, bladder surgery. For example, even for kidney tumors. Even if the tumor is a small one, we have to remove only the tumor. We don't want to remove the kidney. Kidney can be kept there, only the tumor can be done. That is called partial nephrectomy. And only the tumor then it can be removed in a retrieval bag that can be removed to a small, only widening this spot we can remove it. Again, even for such a major surgery, we don't require a major surgical wound. So by using laparoscopic procedures, any surgery of the kidney, suprarenal, ureter, bladder, all prostate cancer removal, that is, it is called radical prostatectomy. All these procedures can be completely done by using this laparoscopic surgery. The advantages are many-fold when compared to open surgery. The results are also equivalent or even better than open surgery.